Alright, so this is a Crossfade vmoda. There's little things to it, like there's ribbon of the cut, and this is what's inside. Let's get this open, 1 second. So it comes with a manual, headphones, and it comes with the wires, and it comes with a keychain. So it's basically both wireless and wired. So if you want to get this listening right away, you can just do the wired. So yeah. So these are vmodas, and then there's controls on this side. So you turn on off calls. So far the audio sounds okay, I guess. Is it worth the money? It sounds like $40 earbuds. The creative's very similar, but I'm listening to trance to hear the white noise. It's still not as good as USB monitors, but these are really nice to wear. They feel really gentle, and there's no speed charge like the OnePluses. But I think it's the audio from my phone's drive card, the OnePlus, and the sound is nice. Might sound better on a Samsung phone because Samsung and iPhone have a better driver card. So next thing I'm gonna do is also try to listen to this. It's pretty comfortable so far, and it's really pretty. It's comfortable, it's pretty. I guess it's worth for the comfort. Um, it's pretty well made. Uh, Next thing I'm gonna do is try it with the wire. So stay tuned, guys. All right, so I tried it with my sound card. It's a better one. They're professional, so it's not as clear as I want it to be. Um, so far, the wire sounds like the wireless, and it's really hot. And I think it's better than the Beats. It's better than Beats, definitely. Um, what else can I touch base on? And it's really sturdy. It looks really cool. And I heard better sound before. So with that, can this be for monitoring? No. Could this be for like a mid-range DJ headphones? Definitely. Because it has a wire and it has wireless, so it's good for both. Um, what else I want to touch base on? Uh, hmm. Do you recommend these? If you have a budget for it for 150, then yes. If you want something a little bit better than little earbuds, it sounds a tad bit like 5% better than like wireless earbuds, but not that much because Bluetooth 5.0 is not out yet, and this could be more clear. But yeah, I'm hard to please. I have no reference right now. These are like, yeah, they're worth the cost of the sound, but I heard better before. So yeah, thanks for listening, and